Oke, selamat sore teman-teman. Lagi di Mandalika, sirkuit Indonesia satu-satunya tapi memang benar-benar indah dan di sore hari yang dengan sunset yang menawan. Kita lagi di depannya Pit Radikal bersama dengan teman saya, sahabat saya namanya adalah Sena Irawan.
Halo,
Please introduce yourself.
halo nama saya Yasua Sena Iriawan. Terus apa lagi bro yang mau diintroduce?
Status,
Status single.
how old are you?
Right now I'm turning 29 this year.
29.
Yes.
How fast are you?
Quite fast.
Oh, okay, but he is fast. I mean, untuk saat ini, he's the fastest man in, he's the fastest Indonesian in Mandalika. So, berapa kecepatan tercepat lo lap time di Mandalika?
We did 131.8 ya, the fastest.
131.
With the Radical SR10 ya.
SR10 tuh yang ini ya, di belakang.
131.8.
Wow. Comparisonnya 131 itu MotoGP itu tercepatnya 128.
Yes.
128 besar. Kemarin GT Cup, GT3
1281.
1281. Oke. Dan how do you made it?
The 31.
Yeah.
I mean ya.
Berapa lama lu harus latihan? Berapa lama progres lu?
To be honest apa ya, the track is always the same.
Okay.
Tapi ya the condition plays a lot of big role. Dan kemarin when I got the 31s, it was like this to be honest. It's not so hot.
Okay.
To be honest, quite cloudy. It was about to rain.
Okay.
But the track gets very grippy.
Okay.
Jadi that's the best moment for you to push the car.
Tracknya juga abis kena panas.
Yes.
Jadi panas tapi abis itu lagi cooling down.
Ya, jadi aspal juga makin sticky dan kebetulan juga the moment ya udah bener-bener mau hujan. So before that ya let's just take it out. Dan itu kebetulan lagi di balap juga kan.
Oke,
I got the
ya
31.
lagi di race.
Lagi di race.
Lagi high-high-nya kan?
Lagi high-high-nya, and then it went pretty well. Abis itu somehow the last track day sama Niti juga, I was going out with the SR10 juga kan.
Yeah.
It was actually kalau di dash, the delta, because the previous lap I was doing 131.9.
Oke.
Abis itu deltanya sektor 1 itu udah minus 0,3.
Oke.
And then di sektor 2, deltanya minus lagi 0,4.
Oke.
And then tiba-tiba di sektor 3, oil trip. So the engine cut
Jadi
off.
sebenarnya
Supposedly itu is 130. It's an easy 130.
Wow.
Tapi right now itu at that moment we tried a couple of setups with the tires. The front kita beda kompan with the back just to find a good setup for the time attack.
Oke.
Jadi depan kita pakai Goodyear, belakang kita pakai Hankook.
Oke.
Karena when we use Hankook we always tend to have a lot of understeer.
Oke.
Same with today juga.
Oke.
Karena we're using Hankook News. Always the same problem. Always understeer. Then the car cannot travel into the corner that fast. Sedangkan with the Goodyear, it's very sharp. I'm the type of driver yang suka a very sharp front end. Jadi I like it tail happy in the back.
Gue suka lihat lu kalau lagi lu di T1 aja, saat lu bawa penumpang lu sengaja gitu kocok ya kan?
Oh iya.
Jatuh. Tapi Sena itu menjadi cepat bukan hanya mobilnya cepat, banyak homeworknya kan?
Yes.
Mobilnya harus prep well, kondisinya harus prime. Lunya juga dalam kondisi prime, sirkuit atau semua suhu uncontrollable variable ini juga harus bagus. Tapi ada satu sisi kan dimana lu itu juga perlu disiplin dan lain-lain.
Yes. To be honest, apa ya, in general aja, no matter what car or what bike are you driving, no matter how fast the car or how fast the bike, if you can't control it, then you can't drive it. It won't be fast juga. Might be fast down the straight, tapi and then you won't get the lap time. Sekarang sometimes a lot of people think that dapetin a fast lap time is very good, but for me that's not good. You need to have consistency, not fast lap time. Karena once you have the constant, it's easier for you to get the fast lap time with a constant pace daripada kencang sekali and then the rest catastrophe.
Berantakan. Ya. Ini Sena itu ya, diajak minum susah, diajak makan susah.
Oh diajak makan gampang.
Masa, makannya dikit, jaga badan banget. Weightnya diatur, jam tidurnya diatur. Buktinya tadi malam kita mau hangout, dia bilang, no I have to rest. Sena, Jadi ternyata jadi atlet ya nggak mudah nih.
Yeah, full of dedication and discipline. Tapi most of the time juga we want to hang out juga. We
Asik.
needed it gitu.
We
kan.
always hang out, bro.
Oh iya dong.
Nah, terus planning lu gimana? Di tahun ini ada balap apa aja yang lu akan ikuti?
For next, ya yang right around the corner yang paling deket maybe July. For time attack. Tapi
Yang ya?
yeah, I'm in dealing with trying to see if we can get our way into GT3 cars as well.
Oke.
Jadi kemarin juga kebetulan pas GTWC,
Yeah.
I hold a driver. Jadi
Oke.
I was coaching a driver.
Who?
Anderson Tanuto
Oh, oke.
from Absolute. Yeah.
Son of, oke.
Yes.
Nah,
So he Sunday he invited me to the Royal Box and talked
Okay.
with him.
oke.
To be honest, it's quite a good talk with him. I can spill a little of detail, tapi I cannot be so sure. I'm happy to hear the news, tapi it's still 50-50. So
Oke.
let's see where it goes. Karena the way he just said it is he wanted to practice a lot with me here in
Okay.
Mandalika because dia baru bawa
Nice.
mobil GT4-nya yang Audi R8 GT4 and Audi R8 GT3 yang spek yang Fanatec juga
Ditaruh di sini?
ditaruh di Mandalika. And he wanted to practice with me.
Hmm.
And then he said that to be honest, gue mau di tim gue itu pro-nya Indonesia, ya sisanya second driver gue Indonesia. So, and then he said, let's try and test, and if something went good, yeah, we will develop something. Yeah, maybe Fanatec, I'm not sure. Let's just see how it goes.
I'm praying the best for you, Senna. But yeah, you're fast, you have discipline, you have talent.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I've been in the sport this year for 21 years now.
Yeah.
Jadi ya, it's an on and off thing. Gak selalu,
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
always on my prime gitu loh. Tapi ya, once I'm on my prime, when other people rest, I just work gitu. Result.
Itu yang justru bikin kita plus.
Yes.
Right? Wah,
That's right.
demen nih temenan sama orang kayak gini. Jadi kita berasa tak berguna gitu kan. Iya. Nah, gue belum pernah coba nih radikal sebenarnya.
Harus dong.
I always interested to
I think we should do
not to
passenger
go
ride
with you. No.
Why?
Gue pengen coba drive, tapi gue nggak mau ikut lu.
Why? It's a whole lot
Too
of
scary.
experience gitu loh.
Beda loh.
Kayak Mas Raf also said that, okay, driving is one thing, tapi you need to sit beside me.
I do agree, but you have to see my pace, and then you show me one stage or two stage.
Yeah, what can be tweaked.
Ya. Kalau kejauhan ya kita yang akhirnya over duluan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapi I think I don't know ya, what I can open for this year, what's exciting yang mungkin udah hampir semi sure is that maybe in this around the end of this year I'll be joining the Radical World Finals.
Oh, di mana tuh?
Katanya itu it's still a TBA, tapi they say it's in Vegas, Las Vegas.
In Vegas.
Yes.
Nice.
So let's see.
I'll go with you.
Yeah, with the SR10 as well. So I'm
Nice.
trying to go with either the SR3 or the SR10. Karena
Okay.
the SR1, it's not that worth it.
Ya,
price.
enggak, jangan lah.
To race.
Iya.
I mean,
Bukan-
better go.
Soalnya bukan kelas yang
Yeah.
itu, jangan. And then, so Senna available?
Available, always available.
Always available.
2 girls only, yeah. I don't do guys.
Yes,
Sorry,
we know.
I don't do guys.
We know.
Yeah,
Nah,
I don't do guys.
Tipikalnya Senna tuh kayak apa sih?
Apa?
Gadis impiannya Senna. Gak apa-apa dong di-spill kan?
Huh?
Now we talking about Senna kok.
Oh,
It's not about Radical or Mandalika.
gadis impian.
Yeah.
Gimana?
Sekarang karena lu fokus lagi balap dan ini, sebenarnya menurut lu jadi
Relationship is always important to me somehow.
why?
Huh?
Support system,
Not only support system apa ya, I like
the needs.
not the needs, the feeling of being stable. Kan stability is not only like for yourself.
Yeah.
It's like being having the stability with other people as well.
Yeah.
Kayak just extra additional support. Ya somehow mungkin kita cowok ngerasa kayak nggak butuh lah kita kayak gitu. Deep down you need it, man. Come on.
Yeah.
You should be frank with yourself
I need
gitu
to
loh.
call my wife.
Wey.
Hey.
Om Ben, where are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, in
And then
general,
the last thing,
what's up?
kita punya Mandalika yang indah begini.
Mhm.
Dan menurut ya kalau yang gua tahu sirkuitnya menurut gua kualitasnya sangat baik.
It's top, yeah, top.
Apa yang jadi harapan lu buat Mandalika ini, pengen dibawa kemana dan lain-lain?
I heard rumors, but it's not true yet. Tapi I hope this will happen. Maksudnya kita udah punya GTWC, which is
Yes.
very good for us as well.
Yeah.
Dan katanya ada rumors that they will have ALMS, which is
Ooh.
Asian Le Mans Series.
Yeah,
Dan tapi mereka harus upgrade lagi FIA standards mereka to
setupnya
level
banyak
2.
sih.
Yeah. Dan there will be LMP2, LMP3 cars, all the GT cars I think. Dan itu mereka bilang mereka udah sempat ngelihat kayak nge-analyze, okay, for this track kita bisa ngeluarin langsung 40 mobil start. So
Wow.
it will be crazy.
Massive.
Maksudnya we hope juga the crowd would be as MotoGP.
Yeah.
MotoGP kan sampai sekarang kayak regardless kayak I don't know, kayak dari awal ada
Umur
MotoGP di
belakangnya kan
sini
masih banyak yang
sampai
negatif.
sekarang maksudnya masih banyak gitu loh yang nonton.
Yes.
Kayak GTWC to be honest bukannya mau membedakan ya, tapi we can see that roda 2 itu lebih besar di Indonesia dibanding roda 4.
Oke.
Karena orang lebih paham. I think ya.
Iya, tapi karena MotoGP-nya udah menurut gua karena udah terkenalnya udah terlalu luas.
Yes.
Kalau yang 4 roda ini orang masih not sure, tapi kalau ngelihat dari kemarin itu sih harusnya kalau ada event lagi sih everyone will go.
Yes.
Dan ya sebenarnya kan kita juga udah lihat ini kan bukan masalah ada sirkuit dipakai, ada event, bukan kan. Kita udah lihat Lombok kita ini bertumbuh sangat pesat ya.
Yes. Lu
kan udah jadi kuncen Lombok berapa tahun nih?
The second year I think. Second year tapi setahun aja berasa kayak 7 tahun.
Iyalah.
I'm here almost every day.
Dia itu bukan pergi ke Lombok. Dia itu
Tinggal
kalau
di
lagi
Lombok.
ke Jakarta, lagi mampir ke Jakarta.
Yes, liburan di Jakarta. Yes, liburan di Jakarta.
Oke.
This is nice. Nice place. Apalagi di sini sekarang enak kan?
Asik banget nih.
So
Ada kursi radikal begini kan.
Kursi radikal, selonjoran.
Udaranya asik banget.
Kameramen masih oke kameramen?
Sunsetnya oke.
Iya. Om Ben, ini kan motor bentar lagi masuk. I think it's a good time for you to hop on in the car.
I think my nail just.
Nah, I think either you go for a passenger or take it for a spin.
Nah.
Take the SR3 for a spin.
Next time.
Outlap in.
Next time. Dia lagi sesi foto.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I pray the best for you,
Thank you
Sena.
so much.
Ini salah satu atlet kebanggaan Indonesia yang didukung
Iya.
oleh Niti Racing.
Ini ada semua by the way.
Sequia,
I cannot open everything tapi
Liqui Moly.
ada 1-3 juga.
Wesel, 1-3.
Ada Frank Edik.
Ini gua
Tapi
paling
nggak bisa
suka.
ke bawah lagi ya soalnya kelihatan.
Yang gue paling suka nih.
Apa?
King of Mandalika.
Oh.
Wish. So I wish you the best in
Thank you
life
so much.
and
I wish you the best too.
on the career.
Always.
And
And I'll see you tonight.
see you tonight.